Chain hoists. Objectives: provide information regarding chain hoist use and chain hoist inspection. General information. Chain hoists are very useful because the load can be stopped and kept stationary at any point. Because of their slow rate of travel, chain hoists also allow precise vertical placement. Chain hoists should be rigged so that there is a straight line between the upper and lower hooks, as you can see by the depiction to the right. They are intended for use in a vertical or near the vertical position. If rigged at an angle, the upper hook can be damaged at the shank and the throat may open up. If the gear housing is resting against an object while under load, it can be damaged or broken. Always make sure that the hoist is hanging freely. Before using the hoist, inspect the chain for nicks, gouges, twists, and wear. Check the chain guide for wear. Hooks should be measured for signs of opening up. Ensure that the hooks swivel freely and are equipped with safety catches. If the hoist has been subjected to shock loads or dropped, it should be inspected thoroughly before being put back in service. Check the load break by raising the load a couple of inches off the ground and watching for creep. If the chain hoist requires replacement, follow the manufacturer's recommendation. Different manufacturers use different pitches for their load chains. Chain intended for one brand of hoist will not mesh properly with the lift wheel of another brand, and the hoist will not operate properly, if at all. The load chain on chain hoist is case hardened to reduce surface wear and is unsuitable for any other use. Load chain will stretch 3% before failing, whereas grade 8 alloy chain will stretch at least 15%. Load chains are too brittle for any other application. Never try to repair a load chain yourself. Welding will destroy the heat treat of the chain entirely. Inspection. Verify portable hoist annual inspection is current prior to use. Functionality test controls and operating mechanisms for proper operation in hoisting and lowering directions. Check all load-bearing components for apparent damage. Visually inspect the load chain for the following: stretch, wear, twist, and broken or damaged links. Visually inspect general rigging hardware. If defects are found, remove and tag the hoist immediately. Report the issue to your supervisor. Quiz 1. Chain hoist should be rigged so that there's a straight line between the upper and lower hooks. A, true. B, false. If the gear housing is resting against an object while under load, it can be damaged or broken. A, true. B, false. 3. Never try to repair a load chain yourself. A, true. B, false. 4. You must visually inspect the load chain for stretch, wear, twist, broken, or damaged links. A, true. B, false. 5. If defects are found, it is okay to use the hoist. A, true. B, false.